Welcome to Module 4, Episode 3, Connecting AWS AI to your existing tools via APIs. We will show you how to connect AWS AI to your existing business software without replacing anything you currently use. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team.
The old assumption is that adopting AI means replacing your software stack. However, the reality is that your CRM, email, and accounting tools can all be connected to AWS AI services. Our goal is to show how AI fits around your current processes. Today, we'll demystify APIs, explore the integration landscape with no-code tools, look at real-world connections, and provide a live demo of building a no-code workflow in under 10 minutes. So what is an API really? API stands for Application Programming Interface. To understand it easily, forget the acronym and use a simple analogy. Think of it like a drive-through window. You order in a specific format, and the kitchen processes your request and hands back exactly what you asked for. Similarly, an API is how your software sends a request in a specific format to an AWS AI service and gets a response. APIs are the key to everything because they act as universal connectors. If a tool has an API, it can talk to any other tool, including AWS AI services. No software replacement is required, and once connected, you gain instant, automatic AI capabilities inside your existing workflows. AWS AI services like Bedrock, Textract, and Rekognition all expose APIs. Next, we'll look at the integration landscape and how these APIs connect to the business software you use every day. Integration involves 3 layers. At the top is your existing business software. In the middle is no-code middleware like Zapier or Make, translating between your software and AWS. At the bottom are the AWS AI services like Bedrock, providing the intelligence layer. No-code integration tools like Zapier, Make, and N8N simplify connecting applications. They all allow you to describe the trigger and the desired action without needing to write any code. Our first integration example is connecting Amazon Bedrock to your CRM. This integration lets AI do the reading of call notes and record updates for you. When a new record is created in your CRM, Bedrock analyzes the content using a large language model. It outputs a summary, a draft email, and a lead score back into the CRM record automatically. Real CRM automation examples include auto-summarizing call notes into a 3-sentence summary, drafting personalized follow-up emails, and intelligent lead scoring based on buying signals and urgency, helping prioritize opportunities. Integration number 2 focuses on connecting Amazon Textract to your accounting system. This eliminates manual invoice entry. When an invoice arrives, Textract reads and extracts all line items and details, even from scanned documents. A structured record is then automatically created in QuickBooks or Xero, saving 3 to 5 hours per week on manual invoice processing. Textract can extract structured tables, including line items and subtotals. It also extracts form fields like invoice numbers and due dates, and even handles handwriting and signatures on physical forms for paper-based workflows. Integration number 3 focuses on connecting Amazon Rekognition to your e-commerce platform. Images are vital for online stores. Rekognition automates image intelligence through quality checks, content moderation, and auto-tagging. It flags blurry or off-standard images, detects inappropriate content, and generates descriptive keywords to improve search and discoverability. The business impact of image automation is significant. 90% faster tagging, 0 bad images going live, and 100% catalog coverage, ensuring every product image is reviewed automatically. Now, let's deep dive into Amazon Event Bridge, which acts as the central nervous system for these event-driven integrations. It's the router that listens for everything and triggers the right response at scale. EventBridge works by recognizing events everywhere, from new orders to uploaded files. You define simple rules, not code, like when X happens in System A, do Y in AWS. EventBridge handles the routing and delivery automatically. Key concepts include the event bus, the central channel where events flow, event rules, the filters you define, targets, what happens when a rule fires, and scheduling, enabling timed workflows. Next, we'll examine API Gateway, which turns your AI workflows into accessible APIs. It lets you expose your AWS AI workflows as callable APIs, so any external software can trigger them. API Gateway is crucial because it makes your custom AI available as a service to your external tools. It includes built-in security features like authentication and rate limiting, and scales automatically, so you pay only for what you use. API Gateway acts as the secure front door to your AWS AI capabilities. It handles security, routing, and scaling, ensuring your workflows are reliably accessible to any connected system. We are now moving on to a live demo where we will build a workflow in under 10 minutes without any code. We will connect a Gmail inbox to Amazon Bedrock and push the AI summary into a CRM. The demo workflow follows 4 steps. A Gmail trigger detects a new email. The email body is sent to Bedrock via an API action. Bedrock returns a structured response. And finally, the summary and action items are logged as a note in the CRM. In Zapier, we configure the Gmail trigger and filters, set up the Bedrock action to process the email body, and define the CRM action to match the contact and create a note with Bedrock's response. The quality of the integration depends on the prompt. Our prompt asks Bedrock to act as a business assistant, providing a 2-sentence summary and listing the top 3 action items from the email body. This is what the Bedrock output looks like in your CRM. It transforms the original email into a concise summary and clear action items, ensuring immediate prioritization of customer needs. To conclude, let's review how all these connections fit together into a coherent AI-powered business system. This diagram visually represents your AWS AI integration map. Every spoke here is an integration you can build today, most without writing any code. The ability to integrate AI into your existing tools is the real power of AWS AI. Here are 10 common SMB integration patterns. This table matches software categories like CRM and accounting with the relevant AWS AI service like Amazon Bedrock or Textract, and suggests a specific integration, such as summarizing calls or auto-processing invoices. If you're unsure where to begin, use this simple framework. First, find your most repetitive task. Second, identify the software involved. Third, match it to the right AWS AI service. Finally, build the Zapier flow. We have a free resource for you, the Integration Checklist. It's a 1-page worksheet to help map your existing software to the correct AWS AI services, complete with suggested integration patterns for each. The checklist includes the 10 most common software categories, the relevant AWS AI service, suggested integration patterns, and estimated time to build. You can use it as your AI integration roadmap to find your ideal starting point. The core insight is that AI should fit around your business, not the other way around. With APIs and no-code tools like Zapier, you can add an intelligence layer on top of your existing workflows without needing a developer. Key takeaways. APIs are simple connectors, your existing software stack is ready for integration, you should start by automating one repetitive task, and crucially, no developer is required to build these integrations using visual interfaces.